Hi guys, welcome to my channel Splashing Colors. Today I am here with a useful video. This is mainly for those who are preparing for OET. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any latest updates. So I am making this video from my own experience. I hope this is going to be very helpful for you guys. Throughout my experience, I have seen so many students using same sentence again and again for addressing the concern throughout their conversation. That's why I thought of making a video that will be helpful for you guys to use different sentences while addressing concern. In my video, I am going to present 10 different sentences for addressing concerns. So guys, let's get started. A sentence, I appreciate that this has been worrying for you. So, whenever a patient is expressing that they are really worried about their condition or they are really anxious about their condition, so that context you can use this sentence. I appreciate that this has been worrying for you. Second sentence, it is understandable to feel worried or upset or frustrated in this situation. So, among these three words, you can use one word in your sentence. For example, it is understandable to feel worried in this situation. It is understandable to feel upset in this situation. It is understandable to feel frustrated in this situation. So instead of saying, I can completely understand, it would be better if you use this sentence like this. It is understandable. Because we cannot completely understand a patient. Third one, it sounds like this has been worrying for you. So, whenever a patient is expressing that they are stressful or they are really worried about a particular matter or condition, that time you can use this sentence. It sounds like this has been worrying for you. It sounds like this has been stressful for you. Fourth one, I can sense that it must have been challenging for you. So, whenever you are talking to a bystander, or a parent of a child, you can use this. If a parent is really concerned about their child, or if a parent is really worried about the condition of a child, that time you can use this sentence. I can sense that it must have been challenging for you. Fifth sentence. It is very natural that you would be worried about that. For example, if a patient is expressing their concern that they are really worried about how to take care of themselves once gets discharged, that time you can use this sentence. It is very natural that you would be worried about that. Sixth sentence. I'm so sorry to hear that you are suffering from this condition. This is the situation where a patient is expressing that they are suffering from a particular condition or they are experiencing some kind of symptoms. That time you can use this sentence for addressing the concern. I'm so sorry to hear that you are suffering from this condition. Seventh one, I do understand your perspective. This is the context where a patient is expressing their concern that they are feeling some kind of difficulty, or when they are expressing their point of view, that time we can use this sentence for addressing the concern. I do understand your perspective. I do understand your point of view. I do understand the way you are thinking. Eighth one, I know it must be difficult for you. This sentence can be used when you are talking to a patient who is very sad or even a depressed patient. That time we can use this sentence for addressing the concern or empathizing the patient. I know it must be difficult for you. Ninth one, now I can understand why you were reacting in this way. This is the sentence which can be used when you are talking to a patient who are in pain and simply getting angry on you. That time we can tell them that now I can understand why you were reacting in this way. 10th sentence, I can perceive your concern. This is same like I can understand your concern. Instead of repeatedly using I can understand, we can use this sentence as well. I can perceive your concern. I hope this will be a very useful video for all of you guys. And thank you for watching.